Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process of canceling your subscription in just 7 simple steps. Let's get started by opening your profile menu in the top right corner of the screen. Once the menu appears, you'll want to navigate to the Copilot section. This will take you to your Copilot dashboard. Now go ahead and access the Billing and Plans area. Here in the Billing section, click on Plans and Usage to view your subscription details. Find the Copilot subscription in the list below and click the Cancel Trial button next to it. A confirmation dialog will appear. Go ahead and confirm by clicking the button that says you understand and want to cancel the trial. Perfect! Your subscription has been successfully canceled and you won't be charged going forward. That's all there is to it. You've successfully completed the cancellation process. Feel free to go through this walkthrough again anytime you need a refresher.